Hello, welcome to my video on how using the program Pixton is going to help 9th through 12th grade students understand what the scientific method is. And this lesson will be going over how to apply it to their everyday lives. Using this slideshow as a guide, we can start off with a quick definition and also a video of what the scientific method is. Moving on to the next slide, after watching the video, there's an overview of the steps and definitions of the scientific method. After an introduction to what the scientific method is, there will be a design challenge portion where students will brainstorm an issue or problem and apply what they just learned about the steps of the scientific method to then solve that problem. From this design challenge, students will be able to identify the steps of the scientific method, apply the scientific method to real-world situations, build upon their critical thinking and problem-solving skills, and use an educational technology tool, Pixton, to help demonstrate their knowledge of the scientific method. Students will use the Pixton app to create a comic depicting their problem and solution using the steps of the scientific method by first using this worksheet to brainstorm individually or in groups of 2 to 3. After brainstorming, we will be using the Pixton app to create a comic from the problem you created. First, we will go to pixton.com. You can either create an account or log in. Once you are logged in, you can begin creating your comic. Click Create Now and let your creativity flow. I'm going to name mine Scientific Method. You can choose any background or scene that is going to fit your storyline the best. Then you can create some characters and even include some speech bubbles. Coming back to our slideshow, we have a Pixton comic example. Here's a more zoomed in version of that. We have a student who has issues with their phone battery performance. They observe their battery is low and question why is the phone dead when they just charged it. They hypothesized, maybe it's the games or maybe it's social media. They perform an experiment by downloading a battery monitoring app to track which apps are using the most energy. The results show that games are using up the most energy here. Then they perform a second experiment to support their hypothesis that it might either be gaming or social media. The following day, after less gaming, their battery performance has improved, using their results to support their conclusion. I hope you enjoyed this lesson on using Pixton to help students understand the scientific method. Thanks for watching!